Hey guys, this is Courtney, and the chances are you landed on this video because you're interested in finding out more information on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned and watch this video until its entirety because I'm going to explain to you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I've got some steps laid out for you. I typed them up here. But so you're wondering, how can you make money online with affiliate marketing? So you're probably searching around on the internet. I was actually doing the same thing that you were not too long ago. I was trying to figure out, like, what's this digital marketing thing? What's this affiliate marketing thing? And how can I really start bringing in some money with it? So I'm going to go through some steps on how you can start applying this to affiliate marketing. Even if you're not in affiliate marketing, you want to get started. Here goes some steps I've laid out to you so that you can get started, and this can help you become successful in your affiliate marketing business. So affiliate marketing, guys, it really isn't hard. It does take a lot of work. It takes a lot of knowledge. It takes some planning. It's a consistent effort to make a significant amount of income. So I would suggest that if you aren't in it yet, try to get in it. Try to do some research and whatnot. Learn everything that you want to know about affiliate marketing. But you got to start somewhere before you dive right into it. So here are some things that I can assure you that will be a part of your venture into affiliate marketing. So first things first, start right by learning everything you can about affiliate marketing and the steps required to be a success. And this can be anything from searching online, typing in just something simple in a Google search like affiliate marketing. Like, what is affiliate marketing? Like, what does it entail? And what are some of the things that I need to do to be successful in it? Because it's going to take some hard work. It's probably going to take some money up front too. It's going to take some dedication, some consistency. So those are just things that you got to be aware of before you really get into it. But do your research. Go on Google. Research as much as you can and just learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing. Number 2, choose only quality affiliate products and services. In fact, consider buying them yourself so you can attest to their quality. And you basically be the judge of your product and services so that you can promote. So basically, don't just focus on income first, but also focus on the quality of the product. Like currently right now, I'm in an affiliate marketing business. I use licensed products that people own, and what I do is sell it for a commission. But I most likely focus on high ticket end products. So let's say if I'm trying to make an income goal where I want to make like $20,000 a month or something like that, or let's give just for example $10,000 a month. I want to get to that goal. So I don't want to purchase any products. I'll be honest with you, and I don't do this to this day. I don't purchase products that are gonna bring me low value or low income coming in. So if my products that I'm looking at are like $50 commission, $20 commission, stuff like that, guess how long it's really gonna take you to get to $10,000 a lot. So you don't want to go that route. So you want to focus on good quality products that will get you closer to your income goal. And I focus more on high ticket items. When I mean high ticket items, I mean anywhere from minimum to $1,000 up to, let's say, $30,000, $40,000 a month. I'm in Legendary Marketer right now. It's an affiliate program, and the highest ticket item goes up to $30,000. Okay, the lowest is $2,500. So I know that if I sell, like, let's say 4 to 5 of those $2,500, guess what? That's only a few sales, and guess what? I'm gonna get to my $10,000 goal like that. You know what I mean? Versus me selling a bunch of $25 stuff. So do your research on that. Make sure you pick high ticket items and make sure the products are of good quality. And when I mean good quality, I'm talking about like let's research reviews. Let's see what other people have bought into this product. Let's see their status right now, how long they've been in business. Just tackle everything you want to know about the background of the company that you're affiliated with. Like in my case, Legendary Marketer, for me, we've got 10,000 plus members. It's been in business for a few years now. And I've also followed the creator years ago when he was in a previous affiliate marketing business where he co-founded. So it's like I know of him and I know of his service and his quality. So I'm with him 100 just on his products. So do your research. Number 3, once again, research all the programs so you understand how and when you're paid and other important money issues you need to know to ensure the program is a good fit. So once again, it goes back to doing your research. You got to know like when your commissions are paid out, how much of that commission. You might not get 100% commissions. I've been with a company before where I've gotten 100% commissions. Tell you about it, it's been good. But I've also been with a company before where I've only got maybe 30% or 50% or something like that. So you need to understand how much you're going to be getting from it. Know when you're going to get paid. Like sometimes, like just because I get that instant commission a day, like I can make $1,000 a day or $500 a day. That might not show up in my bank account for another 2 weeks to a month or something. Do you know what I'm saying? So do your research and know when you're going to get paid. Number 4, choose affiliate items that match your niche or the content on how to make money online. I cannot express how important this is. Always find stuff that you're drawn toward. Always find stuff that you're passionate about, or you don't want to be promoting something that you're not passionate about. Because guess what? You're gonna be moping around like I really don't want to sell this, but I'm just gonna sell it anyway. You want to be around something that you love and you care about the product, and it makes you feel good to sell it. Like you're happy when you're speaking with people and you're trying to sell it, and you're trying to let people know that this is what I'm selling and this is what I'm passionate about. I want you guys to know about what I'm trying to show you guys and what I'm trying to get you guys involved with too. So don't get into a niche that either you don't know about or you're just not happy about, you're not passionate about. That passion has to be there. You have to like and trust your product. You have to know your product. Number 5, market. Don't rely on SEO and just social media alone. Or just to drive people to your blog or your website to take advantage of your affiliate recommendations. Understand who your target market is, where you can find and how you can entice them to your site. So social media is good. I mean, we all use social media, but just don't let that be your only source. Find other ways to draw your traffic and stuff like that. I mean, there's still people I know that do offline marketing. That's fine for you. When I mean offline, it's like your old school door to door and passing out flyers at Walmart and stuff, bugging your friends and family. People do that and it works. If it works for you, I mean, it's fine and do it. But also online, but since we're talking about online, focus not just on social media, but other efforts and whatnot, just to drive your traffic. So start an email list. Number 6, the most successful affiliate marketers use email in their affiliate marketing. Do not put this off. Email marketing can increase your affiliate profits significantly. So I have an email list that I started a while ago. It's a list of people that sign into your website or subscribe to your website. And they get put on an email list, and you can send them offers. You can send them like, hey, how's it going? I wanted to touch base with my list. You could send them information, just everyday information, tips, advice on how to grow your business, like anything, videos. If I shoot a video, it usually goes out to my list. So do not disregard your email list. Like, they may not buy from you now, but later down the line, they will. I've had people that have been on my list for like years and didn't buy anything till like a year later. So, I mean, it's like you grow that relationship with the people on your list. It's that grow, like, and trust thing. So you always want to take care of your list. They are your customers. They are your voice, really. So don't put it off. Always email, whether you want to send out an email a day with some valuable content or you want to send out something once a week or whatnot. But just don't disregard them, in other words. And last but not least, consider using a lead page and funnel system to market your affiliate business. You lure prospects to your email list with a great free offer. And from there, you can send them to your affiliate product page. And your email says you can offer more great free content and more affiliate offers. So a lead page, like I said earlier, is like a website. So this is where you capture leads. These are where you capture your prospects. So it could be a website where people will find your page, or you draw traffic to a website. They opt in with the email address or their name and their phone number. And then they go through a whole funnel system of where they receive emails from you. You could set up a system automatically if you want, or you can set up something manually. You send out stuff like every day or once a week, like I said. But you always want to have that funnel system going through where, like with mine with Legendary Marketer, you opt into my page, you get directed to my funnel system through email. And it's something simple as, did you watch this video I just showed you? And, what can I help you with? And, here goes some great content for today. So I'm constantly giving people something of value. That's what it is. So I hope those 7 steps helped you before jumping into starting an affiliate marketing business. Learn all that's involved in making it a success and how you can start making the money online with affiliate marketing. More importantly, if you decide to pursue this business or want to add it to an existing business, understand it's not fast, it's not automatic. It's going to take some effort, guys. Like any old home-based business, you need a plan and you need some daily action to start making some money online. Overall, your chances for making money with this program are probably no better or worse than any other type of internet home business. It all takes work, and guess what? The success depends on you. So I hope you like these tips on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up for watching this video, and leave me a comment. Leave me a message or something, guys. Like, I'm available. Like, leave me something, and I do reply back. I do answer people. I'm not just sitting behind a computer and just ignoring stuff. And if you're interested in my affiliate marketing opportunity, it's awesome. I guess I'm just being biased. But it's with Legendary Marketer. The link is in the description below. You click on the link, you put in your email address, you'll be redirected to a video. Watch the video. After you get done watching the video, send me a message just to let me know, like, hey, I watched the video, this is what I learned. Or if you're interested in more information, just give a shout out to me. I'll send you some more information. So take action, guys. If you're not a part of affiliate marketing, I have a great offer. Just click the link in the description. If you are, please apply these tips to your business now. Apply it. This is value. This is really good. It will help. Trust me, it'll help. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned. Bye. I'll be sending out another video soon. I usually send videos out once a week. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.